English, French, and radian system, right? Okay, so this is the rotation. The amount of rotation is given by, it is rotating OA. Initial line is rotating like this. Like this amount of rotation is given by theta. Okay, if you take a unit circle, okay, and here center, yesterday already we discussed, this is radius, this is radius, this is arc length, this is arc length L. So when L is equal to R, then here the theta value will give 1 radian. That's what theta is equal to L by R. So that when L and radius and the length of the arc will be same, get cancelled, it is equal to 1, nothing but 1 radian. Okay, anyhow, so one right angle can divide it into how many equal parts in degrees in
90.
English system? 90 equal parts. So each part is denoted by 1 degree, each part. Okay, so 1 degree is equal to how many minutes?
60.
60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to how many seconds?
60.
Like that. Okay, like that. So one right angle, RA means right angle. So one right angle can be divided into 90 equal parts. Each part is given by 1 degree. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So then in French, right angle can be divided into how many parts? 100 equal parts. So that can be given by, we call as grades, 100 grades. So one grade can be divided into 100 equal parts again. That is called minutes, and 1 minute can be divided into 100 seconds. Finally, the radian system. Radian system is pi. Pi is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so if the initial, this is initial ray. Okay, this is initial point, this is the terminal point, this is terminal ray. So it will be rotating like that. The initial line is rotating in anti-clockwise direction, and one complete rotation. See that already we know that the angle between here x and y axis given by 90. This is called the degree is 180. Up to here 90. The angle between x and y is 90. So opposite to this positive x-axis will give by negative x-axis. That is 180 degrees. Then here it is 270. Finally 360. On the x-axis, starting an angle is theta equal to 0. Then one complete rotation is given by how many degrees?
360.
And the second rotation is given by 360 plus 360?
720.
720. And another rotation is given by
1080.
1080. Again, another rotation is given by
1440.
1440. Like that, at least we have to remember till 1440. These are the standard angles. Okay, that already we discussed that. Okay, so nothing but, for example, if I ask like any value, like what is tan of 1110, I asked. So what is this? Anyone can say that what is a value of? Yes. So 1110 is near to what is the standard angle? Nearby.
1080.
1080.
1 by.
So 1080 plus 30. Shall we write like this? 1080 again 0.
0.
Where 0 is equal to 360 is equal to 720 degrees is equal to 1080 is equal to 1440. And even 1440 plus 360. How much? Yes, 1800. 1800. So here 1080 value clearly I said that 0. Nothing but tan 30 value alone you can find. Tan 30. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3. Am I right? Like that. Okay. So one complete rotation is given by 360 degrees. And so in first quadrant up to here 90. Then here 180. Then here 270. This is 360. Okay. But if the initial line, it will be rotating in clockwise direction. If you want to measure the angle in clockwise direction, then what about that? So this is
360
exactly,
minus theta.
Negative value.
yeah. So this is initial OA, and it will be rotating like a clockwise direction. Then here it will rotate something, it will give some angle theta. Then this clockwise direction, the theta will give negative. Like I want to give you 30, theta is equal to 30. What about that? Minus 30 degrees. You can take as minus 30. Always remember that clockwise direction, the angle is given by a negative. Okay. The amount of rotation is given by negative value. So I am taking in degrees, you can convert it into radians. And the main important systems are English system and the radian system. Degrees and radians, degrees and radians. So how to convert degrees into radians and radians to degrees? Okay, that is important. For example, I want to change some, I'll give some small example. I want to change the degrees into radians. What to do? 60 degrees I am given. How can you change it to 60 degrees into radius? 60 into pi by 180. Shall we write like this? Because you know pi is equal to 180 degrees. Am I right? So pi by 180 nothing but it is becomes 1 only. But I want to represent in radians means degrees they given. Radians in the sense we have to write in terms of pi. Okay, 61 are 63 are. Shall I write it is equal to pi by 3? Yes or no? Okay, can anyone tell that 20 degrees, can you write in radians? 20 into?
Pi by 90.
Yeah, immediately you can multiply pi by 180. Nothing but this is equal to what? Pi by 9. Okay, pi by 9. Then anything we can convert like that. Just you can multiply with pi by 180, then we'll get in radians. Let us see something. See, what is the first question? Find the radian measures corresponding to the following degree measures. Okay, let us do very clearly. So here this is the first question is, what is the first one? 25 degrees. Yes, student, you only tell me what is the answer. 25 into pi by 180. Yes or no? 25 into pi by 180. Then,
Sir, 5 pi by 36.
so whenever you want to represent in radians, no need to write a symbol, degree symbol. Simply you can write 25 by 180. Okay, this is equal to, yeah. Can you able to cancel this with the 5 type 25 directly? No, 5 5 is a 25. Yep, 30.
36.
36, right. 36. Now finally 5 5 by 36. Okay. Is it right? This is radians. Question they given in degrees. We found the answer in radians. Second one. What is the second one? Minus 47. Okay, before that, before doing second one, all of you do that third and fourth. I'll explain you second. Third one, 240 degrees. 240 into pi by 180. Immediately multiply to pi by 180. So because here we are converting into radians. So radian means pi should be numerator. So now 0 0 get cancelled. Friend, what about this?
4 by 3 pi, sir.
Yes.
4 by 3 pi, sir.
Exactly, 6 table. 0, 0 cancel, 24 by 18, 6, 4, 0, 24, 6, 3 the like. So 4, 5 by 3. Am I right? Right. In the same way, fourth one, what is the fourth subdivision? 520. What is the answer?
26 pi by
520 into pi by 180. Answer
26 pi by 9, sir.
26 pi by 9. Remaining students also once check it. This now coming to the second is minus 47 degrees 30 minutes. Okay, I told you that here 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes means 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes.
1 by
Then
2.
30 minutes
Half
is
degree, sir.
half degree, 1 by 2. Then shall I write here 47 degrees, like shall I write like this?
The 90
Degrees. Okay. 47 minus 47 and half. Okay, this is also can be written as, this is also can be written as minus 47 minus degrees minus half degree. Is it clear, students? We can write like this. Because, you know, in the bracket, we can write like this. For example, 1.5 is there. It can be written 1 plus half. 1.5. In the same way, what I want to do, here I want to keep in the bracket. Then sometimes the student might be confused here. So here simply minus as usual. Shall I write 47.5 as 47 plus half? Okay. Nothing but what? Take LCM 2. 2 into 47. 94. Yes or no? 94 plus 1. Shall I write 95 by 2 degrees? This for minus 47 degrees 30 minutes I have written 95 by 2. Okay, 95 by 2 degrees. But here you should not write like that. Minus 47 degrees off means don't write minus 47 by 2 degrees. Okay. Sometimes I have seen one or two students last time also, they have written like this, minus 47 divided by 2. Absolutely wrong. This is 95 by 2. Okay, students. Now, is it difficult to convert the radians? What to do next?
Into pi
Sir,
by
80 pi
180.
by 180.
Since we know that here, since we know that what pi is equal to 180 degrees. Now multiply. So minus 95 by 2 into pi by 180. Answer?
The negative 19 pi by 72.
Yes.
The negative 19 pi by 72. Sir.
72
Pi by 2, sir.
radians. Is it clear, students? 5 table.
Yes, sir.
5. 19 sir. 5. 36 sir. Like that. So this is the required radian. So minus 40 7 47 degrees 30 minutes. So I converted into radians. Okay, started the record. Okay, any doubts, students, in this? Any question is there? Again, next questions, again, we need to convert like degrees in radians. I think so, 5th question or 6th question, something. Anyhow, this is the first question. Second question is what? Find the degree measures corresponding to the following. See here, first I'm going to do third subdivision. Third subdivision. Here the third subdivision is second question, third subdivision. What is is third subdivision, 5 into pi by 3. See student, if it is objective question, how to convert? What is pi by 3?
Into 180 ways.
5 into pi by 3 means 60. 560, 300 actual answer. 300 degrees. But in NCERT, we should not do like this. In NCERT, what is? Since we know that 180 degrees is equal to 5. Then this radians we converting into degrees. Am I right? Which implies 1 radian is equal to, how can you write that radian? Yes, students.
180 by pi, sir.
Exactly. Since we know that same, I am writing it. Pi is equal to 180 degrees, which implies 1 radian is equal to 180 degrees by pi. Reverse, in previous all the subdivisions we multiplied with pi by 180. Here what to do? We can multiply with 180 by pi. So 1 radian is equal to 180 degrees by pi. Then 5 into pi by 3 radian is equal to how many? So they given radians. We converted into degrees. What you observe here? 1 radian is equal to 180 degrees by pi. Okay. Then 5 into pi by 3 radian is equal to how many degrees? So 5 into pi by 3 is equal to 5 into pi by 3 into 180 degrees by pi. Shall I write? Multiply this. This is nothing but 1 only. Again, same we will get. So here, what it will be cancelled? Pi get cancelled. 3 ones are 360. Now, final answer is 5 into 60 degrees. 18 degrees. 5 into 60 means 300 degrees. Yeah, we got the same answer. In objective fraction of second, you should do the answer. Okay. Right. This is third subdivision. Next, fourth subdivision answer. Anyone?
210 degrees.
7 pi by 6 can be written as 7 pi by 6. Just to multiply, we are converting into degrees so that 180 degrees should be in numerator. 180 degrees should be in numerator, and pi get cancelled. 6 ones are 6 30s are 30 degrees. So now, what is the remaining value? 7 into 30 to 10. So 7 pi by 6 is the answer is 210. Even we know that pi by 6 is nothing but 30 degrees. So say 210. So we can do directly, but in NCERT you should write like this: multiply and multiply with 180 degrees by pi, because we are converting into degrees. Okay, but okay, up to here clear. But how can you do the first subdivision? Okay, there in third subdivision and fourth subdivision, pi get cancelled, but there is no pi here. 11 pi by 6 here. What to do here? 11 pi by 6. Here also we will do the same thing. And also clearly in the question itself they given here. What is they given here? Pi value is 22 by 7. Pi already given 22 by 7 students. Okay. So 11 by 16. See, degrees not there. If it is 11 by 16, this symbol is there, then that is in degrees. Nothing if they given, so that 11 by 16 is a radian. Minus 4 is a radian. If I take 100, this is a radian. Only numerical value 100 is given radian. In case if they given 100, this symbol, degrees. 100, G is given, grades. Nothing they given, that is radian. 11 by 16, there is no degree symbol, there is no grade symbol, so simply 11 by 16 is a radian. This radian we can convert it into degrees. Is it difficult? Nothing. So 11 by 16 is equal to same 11 by 16. We are converting into degrees, so that what shall we multiply? 180 degrees by pi. Is that clear, student? Okay. Even at last you can write degrees also, simply 180 by pi. Okay, 180 by pi means, is there any pi to cancel? In previous questions, pi is there, I cancelled pi directly. Here also pi directly. But in this question, we don't have pi.
22 by
But
7.
yes,
It's mentioned in the
exactly.
questions. 22 by 7.
Exactly. They given that pi value is 22 by 7. Now, 11 ones are level 2. Simple. Like here, is it cancel with 16 table like 180?
Sir, we can cancel it by 2 tables.
4, 16 fours are uh, 4 fours are 16, 45 I think. 4 table.
Yes, sir.
Cancel with 4 table. Okay, I cancel with 4 table. Finally, what is the value we got?
Sir, 315 by 8, sir.
45 into the 7 becomes to numerator. Into 7 by, here 4 is there, here 2 is there. 4 into 2. Yeah, what is the answer?
Sir, 315 by 8, sir.
315
By 8.
by 8. Okay, student, you should not write in fractions. Remember that degrees, we should not write in terms of fractions. Okay, so what is the nearest value of 315 which is divisible by 8?
Sir,
40,
39.
sir.
40?
Sir, 39,
Sir,
sir.
320, sir.
No, 8 table.
So 39.375 sir value.
39.375.
375.
Okay, we should not write in even decimal also.
Minutes
See,
per
we
second.
should
Sir,
write
320
always
is divisible by 8, sir.
degrees, minutes, second. Okay, fine. 39 we are getting. Okay, what is 8 into 39, student? 8 into 39.
312, sir.
3, 1.
Equal.
2.
Okay, 312. Shall I write here 315 as 312 plus 3 by 8? So ye have to write degrees like that. Okay, anyhow, this is equal to, I want to write separately 312 by 8 plus 3 by 8 degrees. Okay, right now, see here 312 by 8 is how much?
39.
39 degrees plus 3 by 8. Shall I write 3 by 8 degrees also?
No, sir, in minutes.
How can you write minutes again? We cannot, it is degrees only. Still, I didn't change it to minutes.
Multiply by 60.
Yeah, multiply by 60. See, 1 degree is equal to how many minutes, Amma? 60 minutes. But here 3 by 8 degrees is there. So, I want to convert. Shall I write 3 into 1 degree? Yeah, we can write. Now, 39 degree plus 3 into multiply with 60. That's it. 3 degrees means 360 the 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes means 3 degrees is equal to 180 minutes. We can write directly 180 minutes also. Okay.
39 degree 10 minutes, sir.
See here 3 degrees we got. Actually 3 by 8 degrees. This 3 degrees I want to convert it into minutes. We can write like this. Now, what about 39 degrees?
And then it become 3 into 15 by 2 sir.
39 degree plus 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
22 minutes.
See again you can dividing with 8.
There are 4 tables sir.
Huh? 4
We
table.
divide 180 by 8 with 4. We can cancel out 4 and 4.
45 minutes, sir.
45 minutes.
45 by
By
2
2.
also.
See, is 180 is divisible by 8?
No, sir.
Is it divisible by 8? No, never. So whenever it is not divisible by 8, again we are going to get, remember that we are going to get some seconds. So let's do now.
45
What?
by 2
It
minutes.
can be
Sir.
written as
What is
176
45
plus
by 2
4
minutes.
whole divided by 8.
Okay, here if we dividing with 4 table
45
45
by
2, okay, fine. 45 by 2 minutes. This minutes I want to convert it into seconds. I want to convert it into
22 minutes and 30 seconds.
yeah. First, before that, when you're dividing with 2 here, so what is the nearest value to divide this 45? Shall I write 44 plus 1 as 45? Yes.
Yes, sir.
We can write even directly also. So this is minutes, this is also minutes. I have written 45 as 44 plus
39
1.
degree plus
Okay.
22 minutes
39 degree plus 22
plus 22
minutes
minutes plus 1 by 2
plus
minutes. 1 by 2
plus
into 60 seconds.
yeah, so
30.
1 by 2 converted into seconds like this.
39
Finally,
degree, 22 minutes, 30 seconds.
yeah, 30 seconds.
Okay.
This is the required answer. Once again, we'll do 2 more questions are there here. We'll do again -4 is there, again -4. We can convert it into like that. Okay. So finally, the answer for 11 by 16 in degrees is 39 degrees, 22 minutes, 30 seconds. You should not write like a 39 point something degrees. You should write in minutes and seconds. Okay, what we have done. So we multiplied 180 by pi. After that, we have cancelled 11 table and 2 table something. Finally, we got 315 by 8. That 315 means the nearest value which is divisible by 8 is 312 plus 3. So 312 by 8 plus 3 by 8. So it will be degrees. So 39 degrees. This is 3 by 8 degrees. I multiplied with it. I converted into minutes. So when you remove this degree symbol, then we can multiply with minutes. Again, you can cancel. At last, we got 1 by 2 minutes. 1 by 2 minutes means multiply with 60 seconds. Converted into seconds. You should not write fractions. Degrees in fractions. Radians we can write. See, 11 by 16 is a radians. We can write as fractions. Even we can write in decimal also that radians. Radians we can represent as decimals. Okay, -4 is there, second. -4 is equal to -4 into 180 by pi degrees. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
-4 into, okay, 180. This pi value is what? 22 by
7.
7. Is it cancelled with any table?
22 and 4 will get cancelled.
Okay. 2 2s are 2 11s are. I
Sir,
think
answer is 2520 by 11, sir.
I didn't get you.
Sir, 180 into minus 180 into 14 by 11.
Okay, right. So here, finally, -2 into 180 into 7 by 11. Yeah, what is the answer? Numerator?
Minus 2520 by 11, sir.
2520 by 11. Okay, now you can divide with 11 minus. How to write this?
Sir, 229 into 11 is 2519, sir.
Yes, sir. Only
25.
19. Sir, no, sir, I'm saying for conversion of 2 minutes, sir.
Okay, right. So first, what to do, Amma, if you after getting this? Yeah.
Sir, we need to divide.
Sir,
When you dividing with the two.
sir, that one is a 2519, sir. Nearest 11 multiple.
Just a minute. We can convert it into here. 25 or
229, sir.
229. Okay, okay. 2 2 is a 22. Again 2 2 11 2 is a 22. Again 22 9. Okay, remaining value is what?
Sir, 1
1 by 11.
1 by 11. Shall we write like this? Good. Minus 229. So I want to write minus. Shall I write here 229 degrees? This is in degrees. Plus 1 by 11 degree in the bracket. Okay, bracket 229 degrees plus 1 by 11 degree. Shall I multiply with 60 minutes? Okay, students. 229 degrees plus I converted into cent. Okay, when you dividing with 11, again 11 5 is a,
Sir, 5.45 is coming, sir.
okay, 5.
That's all, sir. Remainder is 5.
Shall we write like this?
Yes, sir.
This is minutes. This is minutes. So again, this minutes, what I want to write is 229 degrees plus 5 minutes plus 5 by 11 minutes.
Into 60, sir.
I have written separately. 5 by 11 can be written as, yeah, we can write the sum of the two values. I have written separately. So after that,
Sir, 5 into 60 by 11.
5 into 60 by
60 by 11.
11.
Approximately 27, sir.
27.27.
Yeah, at last in seconds, this is in seconds. That seconds alone you have to take approximate value. So 229 degrees, degrees 5 minutes. So what is the value approximately? It is
27, sir.
27.
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is the value of minus 4 in degrees. What I have done, just multiplied with 180 by 5, pi value I replaced 22 by 7. After that simplified. So we get to minus 229, 1 by 11. So you can write plus 1 by 11. Now this 1 by 11 is a fraction converted into minutes by multiplying with 60. So 1 by 11 degrees I have written like this. Again, it can be remaining value 5 into 5 by 11 minutes. So you can write 5 minutes, 5 by 11 minutes. 5 by 11 converted into seconds by multiplying with 60. Okay. Still you having any doubts until this question?
Sir, is that if we get any fraction in the seconds part, we have to round it off in decimal part?
Yeah, in seconds part.
Sir, in the seconds part, if we get a fraction,
No,
we just
you
need to
should
round it off in the
just you have to round it. Okay, you should
Okay,
not
sir.
write in fractions because that is last value we can write in the approximate value. You should not write fractions.
Okay, sir.
Approximate value. For example, this value you are getting, in case the last value is, for example, you are getting like 26.6, you can take 27 seconds or 26 seconds. Whatever it is, either 26, 27, both will be right. Okay, next see here, the third question. Anyone?
Sir, time up.